I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your original. Duplicate the layer so edits stay non-destructive. Next, pick the cutting tool, lasso for freeform, polygonal lasso for straight edges, or pen for precise paths. Make the selection now and hold Shift to add or Alt/Option to subtract. This saves time. Once done, check edge feathering. A small 0 to 2 px feather softens harsh transitions. Make sure rulers and guides are visible for alignment, because precise selections yield cleaner finished cuts. Now refine the selection so your cut looks intentional. If you used the pen, convert the path to a selection and set a small feather. If you used lasso tools, try Select Modify Smooth to remove jagged edges. Then use Select and Mask for hair or soft transitions. Shift the edge outward or inward as needed. When the selection is ready, press Ctrl or Command+J to create a new layer from the selection, so your cut is isolated and editable without altering the background. Finish by refining edges and integrating the cut into its new context. Add a layer mask to the cut layer. Use a soft brush to paint black or white and hide or reveal pixels. This gives reversible control. If background gaps appear, use Clone Stamp or Content Aware, fill on a separate layer beneath the cut. If you see unwanted halos, undo mask, contract the selection by 1 to 2 pixels, then reapply the mask. This removes light fringe and tightens the edge for a cleaner composite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.